The best Shopify apps for clothing stores. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the different applications that are some of the top tier applications that you can use for your Shopify clothing store. Now, some of these are catered specifically for clothing stores, while other applications that I'm recommending today could be helpful to you, even if it's not a clothing store. Now, the reason why I recommend these apps are pretty diverse, but one thing to note is that without these applications, Shopify can be a little limited. Shopify has some amazing tools in itself, but there are a lot of features that are really basic to e commerce right now that are not present on Shopify. And with these applications, you can elevate your store and make it look so amazing and so professional. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, firstly, for those of you that don't know, I am not sponsored to talk about any of these applications, and let's jump right in. So, to access your applications, to install these applications, I'm going to tell you guys how to do this once, and I'm not going to repeat myself again. Simply open up your Shopify App Store. Once you open up your Shopify App Store, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left, then click on Shopify App Store on the top right. This opens up the App Store, and then from here, we're going to proceed with searching for our apps. So today, these are in no particular order. Number one on my list is TrueFit. TrueFit is an AI size guidance application. It starts from $5 a month. It's really cheap and it has some amazing features. It provides AI guidance for every shoppers. So they will allow you to scan an item and this will show the customer whether or not the sizing is standard sizing, if it's a larger fit, if it's a relaxed fit, if it's going to be really skinny, if they should size up or size down. This will use different types of data to analyze the product. So they use shopper demographic, shopper body data, shopper preference, sales and return data, and product data. This is not something that is just based upon, okay, if the shopper says they're a medium, the AI size guide is just going to say that they're a medium. No, this will actually use a lot of data that it has gathered to know what fit is the best for them. This has product fit guidance as well as personalized style guidance. You will see that it is going to display the fit, whether it's loose fit or tight fitting or it's a true fit. Then it is going to have different categories. It can work in any category, no matter what type of clothing you are selling, whether it's menswear, women's wear, dresses, suiting, swimwear, intimates, footwear. All of it can be analyzed with this AI tool. You will see even in its comments, there are a lot of amazing reviews about this because it's something that elevates your store to such a great extent, and you never realize how much customers need this. And you will see this in a lot of larger conglomerates. Places like Shein are now displaying the model sizes, the model fits, the heights of the model, and all of that information can be really expensive to list out for each individual product. So having this AI size guide is going to be amazing. They have their starter plan at only $5 a month, which supports over 100 orders per month with style level fit guidance and performative dashboards. Now, moving on towards our second application, we have Upcart. Upcart is an amazing cart drawer cart upsell. So this means whenever people are on their checkout, they're going to see multiple different options. When you're shopping on platforms like Shein and you open up your cart, it tells you you're saving this much. If you spend this much more, you can get free shipping, or spend $10 more to get $5 off your order, or spend $20 more to get free shipping or to get a 10% discount. So all of these provide rewards, and these kinds of rewards can be set up on your own store as well, easily with Upcart Drawer Upsell. Now, within this, they have a free version. This is for the developmental version of your store. So, if your store is still in the developmental phase, you can use their free version to test it out to see what it looks like, and then you can bite down and subscribe to their plans. For over 200 orders, you have to subscribe to their $34 plan, which has announcement modules, upsells, add ons, rewards modules, as well as custom HTML and CSS. And if you have over 1,000 orders, so if you have anywhere between 500 to 1,000, you can go for their third plan, which is their $54 plan, which includes all of this for 1,000 orders. Then, so on and so forth, your plan and pricing is going to vary according to the needs of your orders. Now, moving on towards our next application, we have email marketing tools, and number one on my list is Omnisend. Now, for this, I personally really do like Omnisend, but I do understand that some people have already chosen to go with a certain email marketing tool. So, if you are already using a email marketing tool, you don't necessarily have to go with Omnisend. Omnisend is just a recommendation if you don't have one already, if you don't have an email marketing application that you are using. However, Omnisend is free for you to install and send emails to upwards of 250 contacts. You can send 500 emails per month and up to 60 global SMS free of charge. And then you can also create pop-up forms, sign-up forms. Now, what does this type of email marketing tool do? What do these tools have in common that they're so popular? Well, you can send out emails, you can tell customers if they abandon a cart, you can gather emails, you can provide discount coupons whenever someone subscribes to your newsletter, so on and so forth. This is going to help you in providing a lead, providing a link to your customer, and you can make sure that they become recurring customers. You can send them out sales emails, you can send them abandoned cart emails, you can, see if they have exit intent and send them discounts or different incentives to keep on purchasing. So this is a great tool to use. If you're already using MailChimp or any other tool, you can download that application instead. Now, moving on towards our next application, we have Track 123 order tracking. This is a 3D order tracking tool. This is just visually very stunning. It is really amazing, and it is something that allows people to see where their orders are, because whenever people are buying online, they want to know where their product is, where it's coming from, when is it going to arrive. And you will see a really amazing feature where you can hide the drop shipping origin. So even if you are drop shipping products from any other country, from China, you can actually hide that and show it as a different location. And you will see they have a free plan where you can provide this for 40 orders. Then for 300 orders, you can go with their growth plan. Then for 2,000 orders per month, you can go with their advanced, and then their enterprise plans are available. They have amazing visual looks as well as cross-selling and upsells. You have cart capabilities, cart improvement capabilities. You also have estimated delivery dates that you can display as well as integrate with other applications. Now, moving on towards the last two applications that I recommend, it's either Judge Me or Luke's Reviews. Now, this is one of the major quarrels that I have with Shopify is that by default, it does not have a review section. So if you're looking to add a review section, Luke's is definitely the application for you. However, it does start at only $10 a month, which I do know can get expensive because this can only send out 100 monthly email requests for reviews. So if you're looking for a alternative which is free, you can use Judge Me. Judge Me is just as good, but they will have branding on their free plan. It's completely free, and if you want to remove branding, you can go with their awesome plan at only $15 a month to build amazing review widgets, product reviews, review carousels, and much more. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.